Hey, welcome back, guys. Glad you guys clicked that little link in the description. This is going to be two things. It's going to be, first off, how to remove a old CPU heatsink and CPU. Okay, so if you guys just came across this video by not clicking my link, well then, this is what we're putting in. It's an 8-core processor, Black Edition. Alright. The one thing I want to point out, guys, is here that you got it. Disconnect this. About time. Just gotta grab myself. Yep, alright, okay. I lost track of what I was saying. I'm sorry. This is a stock cooler, by the way, guys. So, okay. How am I gonna do this? You gotta get this side off. Come on. There we go. Okay. So, that being said, this is a stock cooler. This PC wasn't originally built by me. It was built by CyberPower PC. And, I was bored last night after I took it apart and I put my memory back in. I'll take that out real quick. 16 gigabytes of memory. Okay. Set it over here by my hard drives. Okay. Oh. It's very solid on there. There we go. Yeah. So it was obviously time for me to remove this either way, because that was hard. It was almost like completely on there. Sorry, I have a light right there. Yeah, that's the old thermal paste, which I have isopropyl alcohol. Yeah. That's kind of remove this stuff. One thing is I have to, as soon as I take out this processor to put in the other processor, I have to do it immediately because thermal paste coming down on the side. I don't like that crack. Because I only have that one little container because the other processor, seeing this computer wasn't originally built by me. Whoa, that came out a little fast and a little bit too much. I don't have another little container for it. So let's just do a quick cleaning of it. This computer was built by CyberPower PC. Now it's being built by me. That was really weird how that came out. I took it apart last night at 11 o'clock because I knew my processor was going to be here today, and some of that stuff got on the motherboard. Great. It's not good. Give me 1 second, guys. I got some grease on the motherboard. Trying to get it off without it doing much. Okay, that should be good. About done cleaning it up. This is the long and boring part, I know, guys. I'm sorry. Alright. I'll clean the heatsink for it later. Let's just get this core open. Okay. Alright. This is an AM3 Plus socket, by the way, guys. If I hadn't mentioned that, which I do believe I hadn't. Okay. Now to lay down this one. Oh, perfect. Okay. There we go. And now we have our new CPU in. Old CPU is in here. I want to grab my little sticker for the computer. I'm going to put it onto it now. Sorry guys. There we go. Not perfect, but it's there. Alright, so that's how you remove and put a new one in, which is awesome. Okay. I'm going to end this video for now because I have to take off these two brackets so I can put on the liquid cooled part. But I'm not completely sure. I think I'm going to have to put in the computer, like it all back together real quick in order to completely assemble it. But you'll find out later. Alright, thank you for watching.